What you need: 2 centimetre wide strips of paper, pencil, glue stick, scissors, hole punch and some string. Get your first piece of paper and fold it in half, line up the ends and slowly slide your fingers down and pinch the bottom, making it a nice little crisp fold. And then do your next one, again fold it in half, line up the tops, slide your fingers down and pinch it. Again, making a nice crisp fold. Do the same thing for the last strip. Make sure it's nicely lined up. Right, all 3 of them are done. So have them lined up in the order that you want to make your hearts. Get your pencil, and we're going to again make one a little bit smaller. There we go, and then the next one a little bit smaller again, just so that we can get 3 hearts in different sizes. Adjust if you need to. Get your scissors, cut the piece off, and then put your strip back in the right place. And again, we're cutting the loose bits at the top, not the folded edge. The folded edge is still along the bottom. Then we can open it up. We're going to add some glue, put some glue across the top. We're going to pick up our next strip and we're just going to put one edge, line it up and glue that on top. There we go. And we're going to add some more glue and do our third strip. Just on that top edge, line them up, glue them together and give them a bit of a squeeze, making sure they're really stuck. I'm going to turn it over and we're going to do the same on the other side. So get the smaller strip, add that glue on the top, grab your second piece, put them on top. There we go, again lining it up, taking our time, squeezing it, make sure it's stuck, add some more glue and add the nice last long one there. There we go, stick it on top, make sure it's lined up and squeeze it together. It's always nice to have a little play and see what other shapes you can make with what you've got. That'd be like a really pointy teardrop. That would be nice. But we are going to make a heart, so have a think of how we're going to do that. To add the glue to the top of the strip there. And then we're going to want to put those 2 strips together. Now it can be a little bit tricky. So we're going to turn them inside like that. There we go, stick the 2 bits together. Give it a little bit of a squeeze. There we go. We can check to make sure it's looking good. That's it. Fantastic. If you're worried about it undoing, put it back together a little bit, squeeze it in, grab a peg and just peg the inside bit just where you've glued it and leave it there to dry, and that'll make sure it's really stuck down. Now we need to add the string. So this piece of string has already been put into a loop. So just carefully put it in underneath that pointy bit. Try and loop it around. There we go. It's a bit tricky. And then stick the little loop strings through the loop. Gently pull it up because we don't want to change the shape of the heart. There you go. It's all done.